Mastering Punctuation in Complex Sentences, a Guide to Formal Writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on formal writing. In this video, we'll delve into an essential topic that often poses challenges for many English learners: punctuation rules for complex sentences in formal writing. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of how to punctuate complex sentences accurately and confidently. Before we get into punctuation, let's quickly refresh our understanding of complex sentences. A complex sentence is made up of one main clause, also called an independent clause, and one or more subordinate clauses, also called dependent clauses. The main clause can stand on its own as a complete thought, while the subordinate clause cannot. It's crucial to know how these components interact because their relationship will dictate our punctuation. The most common punctuation mark you'll use in complex sentences is the comma. It's a small but mighty tool in separating thoughts and ideas. Here's the primary rule to remember. When a subordinate clause precedes the main clause, use a comma. For example, although she was tired, Maria finished her homework. If the main clause comes first, we generally do not use a comma. For example, Maria finished her homework although she was tired. Now let's talk about the semicolon. In formal writing, semicolons are used to link closely related ideas. You can use a semicolon to connect two independent clauses. For example, Maria finished her homework. She was very tired. It's important to note that both parts of the sentence could exist as separate sentences, but the semicolon shows that their ideas are intimately connected. While commas and semicolons are most commonly used in complex sentences, don't forget about your other punctuation tools. Periods end sentences. However, if you're ending a sentence with a subordinate clause, be sure the main clause comes first. For example, Maria finished her homework. She did this although she was tired. Colons can introduce lists or explanations. For example, Maria had one goal: to finish her homework. Remember, these punctuation rules will help maintain clarity in your complex sentences. We hope that this video shed light on the punctuation rules for complex sentences in formal writing. Always remember the role of commas, semicolons, and other punctuation marks in separating and linking your ideas. With practice, these rules will become second nature, enhancing the clarity and elegance of your writing. We look forward to seeing you in our next video where we will continue our journey in mastering the English language. Happy writing, everyone!